So on Sunday, Babil Khan shared a video where he spoke emotionally about how Bollywood treats people. In the video, he took names of several actors like Ananya Pandey, Shanaya Kapoor, Arjun Kapoor, Siddhant Chaturvedi, Raghav Juyal, Adarsh Gaurav, and even Arijit Singh. Babil, looking visibly upset and teary eyed, said Bollywood is so rude and talked about how he feels isolated in the industry. This video quickly went viral on Reddit and social media, and people started questioning his mental health. Some misunderstood his words and assumed he was attacking those actors he mentioned. After all the trolling and judgment he received, Babil deactivated his Instagram account, which only increased public concern. But now, Babil has come forward to clarify the truth behind the video. He said that his words were completely misinterpreted. In reality, he was actually trying to show support to his peers. On his Instagram story, Babil explained that he was simply acknowledging those in the industry who have been genuine and kind. He wrote that he was trying to show appreciation for people like Ananya, Shanaya, Arjun, Siddhant Chaturvedi, Adarsh, Raghav Juyal, and even Arijit Singh, not target them. Supporting Babil in this tough time, actor Kubra Seth, best known for Sacred Games, wrote a heartfelt message. She said she admires Babil deeply and respects him a lot. She also mentioned how Babil has been dealing with stardom and the pressure of public life while still healing from the loss of his father, the late Irfan Khan. Kubra called him open hearted, kind, and brave. Babil reshared Kubra's post and thanked her, saying he didn't have the energy to explain everything but wanted to take responsibility for those he admires. Actor Siddhant Chaturvedi also showed his support. He posted videos of him spending time with Babil and wrote a clear message to all gossip columns, media portals, and Reddit users, asking them to stop spreading false narratives. Siddhant said he usually stays away from gossips, but this time it felt personal. Babil, in return, reshared Siddhant's post, showing how grateful he was for the support. Babil also posted a warm message for Adarsh Gaurav, thanking him for being a true friend. He wrote that half of life is spent in misunderstandings, but the company of genuine friends keeps the heart pure. He expressed deep respect for Raghav Juyal, calling him his idol, icon, and the elder brother he never had. Even Ananya Pandey came forward to support Babil. She shared a statement from Babil's family on her Instagram and added a sweet note saying, "Only love and good energy for you, Babil, always in your corner." Babil's family also released an official statement to clear the air. They said that Babil has always been open about his mental health journey, and like anyone else, he has his difficult days. The video that went viral showed one such day. They assured everyone that Babil is safe and will be feeling better soon. They added that in the clip, Babil was genuinely appreciating his peers for being real, passionate, and for trying to bring honesty and warmth back into the industry. The statement urged media and the public not to judge based on short clips but to understand the full context of his message. Babil Khan, who made his acting debut in the Netflix film Kala, has also worked in Friday Night Plan, Log Out, and the web series The Railway Men. He is young, emotional, and still finding his place in the industry. But one thing is clear, he is honest and wears his heart on his sleeve. So the question is, in an industry filled with pressure, judgment, and endless gossip, can we as the audience give space for emotional honesty and support mental well being instead of jumping into conclusion? What do you think on this? Do let us know in the comment section, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Free Press Journal for more such updates.